Take a look at this beauty, my friends. If you want something, a toolbox, something to keep your straps in, your backup supplies, prepping supplies, off-grid supplies, on-the-road supplies, tractor trailer supplies, pickup truck supplies, look no further than this toolbox. It's lockable. Take a look inside here. So these are your keys. Make sure you get your keys. You get your little manual inside here. This is metal. It does have weather stripping so water doesn't get in. You just simply twist this, place this down. This is really nice. And there's such wide uses for this. I love that diamond plate, just beautiful. And here's the awesome thing. I'm gonna show you guys how lightweight this is. You might be looking at this and you think, oh, that's just way too big and bulky. You can put this in the bed of your truck, in your Jeep, in your Bronco, in your FJ Cruiser. You can put this for your tractor trailer, on the truck, on the trailer. The possibilities are endless. Let's go ahead and stop rambling. Let's show you guys how lightweight this is. As you can see, it's lightweight. Point proven. It's awesome, guys.